Alright you guys, so in today's video I'll be attempting to do a ponytail on myself. I've never done a ponytail on myself. I always do ponytails on my nieces, but I want to try something different for my hair for my birthday, which is tomorrow. What's today? Friday, the 28th. My 25th birthday is tomorrow. I am excited. I made the cutest party favors right here. There we go. I made these the other day right here. I will try and link my other channel here on the screen, on the little iCards, either the channel or the video, whichever one I can do. I will link it, and I'll also have the video in the comment section, a link for it. I'm going to be attempting to do a ponytail on myself. Like I said, I'm excited, but I'm also a little bit nervous. Let me find a picture. The picture that I found, I took a screenshot. I'm gonna have to go to YouTube and see what the parting looks like or whatever for the ponytail. It's right here, but what I want to do, I think my braid's gonna be a little bit smaller. I have some crochet braiding hair. I have the ones that's in like the box braid, and also the ones that's in like a twist, and I also have like the curly hair. I'm going to grab my braiding bag, my little suitcase full of braiding hair, see what kind of hair I have, and I'm also going to check my sister closet in her old room because she has a lot of hair in there as well. I'm gonna see what kind of crochet hair she have in there, if she have like any twists, any braids or whatever. And yes, alright you guys, so here is all the crochet hair I have. I have this one right here, which is the braids, and I'm going to be using this one. There are 44 pieces. Yes, I counted every single one of them individually. There are 44, and I like the size. They're like a medium-ish kind of size, and I really like that. Next I have these Senegalese twists with the curly ends. Oh, and the ends on here are also curly, but I have the Senegalese twists with the curly ends right here. Okay, and then I have another pack of Senegalese with the straight ends right there, and then I have just some plain regular curly hair. I have 2 packs of those. Here's the other one right here, and there's something else in here too. I think that's regular braiding hair. I don't know, but I'm going to be using the braids, so I have to charge my phone because it's actually getting ready to die. But once my phone gets some charge to it, I'm going to pop back up here with you guys, and we're going to go ahead and start the braiding process.
Look, I'm all around the world, I flip the script just like an acrobatic. Bringing in them hits, you would've thought that we had bad in practice. Hip hip hooray, hit the lotto, now my pocket's fatter. Give me a little space, promise mama I'ma take the challenge. Hey, took my chance, the dice rolled, let me slide in. Welcome y'all to my show, about to begin. This the time I go viral, so let me just shimmy.
Okay y'all, so it took me a lot longer than what I planned to get this video out because it didn't turn out the way that I wanted, but I already promised you guys that, well, I promised over on my Instagram that I would have this video out on my YouTube channel. Yeah, it didn't come out the way that I wanted, but I do plan on putting one out again around November so that I can have that hairstyle in for Thanksgiving, and I might do it again for Christmas. I don't know yet, but I most definitely want to do it for Thanksgiving, so stay tuned for another video on this, and I will try my best to be more detailed and give you guys better angles and stuff like that.
Took my chance, the dice rolled, let me slide in. Welcome y'all to my show, about to begin. This the time I go viral, so let me just shimmy all the way until I pop off. Look, I'm tired of excuses and secrets. Keep my head up and know this ain't easy. So grab your popcorn bags and relax. I'ma shimmy, shimmy all the way until I pop off. Pop off, not hearing you talking that blah blah. I'm in my prime like haha, getting ready to swing like Top Golf. You're not that guy, better stand by, you'll only make it worse. Been grown since birth, get a picture for the memories, I won't pretend to be nobody else.
I'll do that shimmy shimmy through every night and day, and I will not be stopped no matter what they say. All the times I get knocked down can only make me stronger, because I wake up every day and I strive for stronger.
Hey, took my chance, the dice rolled, let me slide in. Welcome y'all to my show, bout to begin. This the time I go viral, so let me just shimmy, shimmy all the way until I pop off. Took my chance, the dice rolled, let me slide in. Welcome y'all to my show in the top 10. I'll bet it all for the title, so let me just shimmy.
Y'all, I was so freaking proud and shocked that I was able to braid. I never braided my hair like that before, and I was just so shocked at how good it came out, and I was just so proud of myself. And yeah, so a quick little method, like if you want to braid your hair like that, what I found easier for me was holding my head upside down. In a way, it kind of felt like I was braiding normally, but my hair was upside down. So that was that's what made it easier for me. The only part I found hard throughout this whole process was actually the crocheting of the crochet pieces on my hair. I could not find a YouTube video that showed how to do it, so me and my mom just played around with it. At first I thought the ponytail was like too high or whatever, but after some time I did like it, and I mostly wore it in a bun, and I did wear it in a ponytail a few times, but 9 times out of 10 I did wear my hair in a little bun. But I do plan on doing some lemonade braids on my hair, well, on myself, and I am so excited. I think my head is the perfect size for lemonade braids. I do plan on filming that for you guys and showing you guys my new wash day routine for whenever it comes to doing protective styling.
Man, I go in, so ain't no time for sleeping. Man, I want the break, gotta hate it like a weekend. Man, I want that good life, yeah. 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 I do it big, but I'm tryna do it bigger. Sometimes I go crazy like a gunman, pull the trigger. I'm in the league, man, I'm trying to play the game nice. I'm trying to win at every level, so I roll the dice. Whatever I buy, I'm just trying to buy it twice. When I park the Phantom, you can even match the price. I'm just trying to be a landlord. I'm just trying to own property up in different area codes. But there's a code to this madness, there's a code for danger, but I ain't never been reckless. So I look at my time, cause I ain't never been late. Man, I'm trying to be a dog, man, I'm trying to be great. You gotta get it even if it's in the dirt. Man, I grind hard, I put in this work. Man, I go in, so ain't no time for sleeping. Man, I want the bread, gotta hit it like a weekend. Man, I want that good life, yeah. Man, I want that good life, yeah. Man, I want that good life, yeah. Man, I want that good life, yeah.
I could be everything, she don't want anything to do with me. She think I'm playing around, oh, everything. She don't want anything to do with me. She think I'm playing around, but I'm holding it down, holding it down. Thought I had a grip, feel like she been slipping through the cracks. Holding it down, holding it down. I thought I had a grip, feel like she been slipping through.
Alright you guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing me do my hairstyle for my birthday. Don't forget, a more detailed version will be coming out in November, and I also have a few videos coming out this month for you guys as well. I think I have a few day and life vlogs coming out, and then my something else. Oh, me doing my hairstyle that I'm going to be doing in a few weeks. I'm very excited to film that for you guys. That will be out probably the 25th or the 2nd. I'm not quite sure yet. But yes, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.